Hello, and welcome to Catastrophe Readiness Friday. Before the next typhoon or flood hits, let's make sure you truly understand what your vehicle insurance covers and what it doesn't. During disasters, misunderstandings often arise not because claims are denied unfairly, but because certain coverage details were not clearly understood from the beginning. And that's exactly why coverage clarity matters. Let's start with third-party liability, or TPL. This covers injury or death to third parties and the legal liability arising from using your vehicle. However, it does not cover damage to your own car, and it does not include flood or acts of nature. While TPL is required by law, its protection is limited. Next is own damage coverage. This protects your vehicle in cases of collision, accidental impact, or overturning. It applies regardless of who is at fault, subject to participation. But take note, damages caused by catastrophic events are not covered unless acts of nature coverage is included in your policy. Acts of nature, or AON coverage, protects your vehicle against typhoon, flood, earthquake, landslide, and volcanic eruption. This is especially important in the Philippine setting. Without AON declared in your policy, damages from these catastrophic events will not be covered. Clear explanation today prevents disappointment tomorrow. So before the next storm arrives, ask Perla Insurance if your comprehensive policy includes acts of nature coverage. And for more catastrophe readiness guidance, like and follow us today.
All is well with Perla Insurance.